Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Portronics My Buddy Plus laptop cooling desk. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where you can see what the desk actually looks like once it's properly assembled or rather propped up. And you also have a couple of features being highlighted at the bottom. The first one being that this is comfortable for folks who wish to stand at work, those who are sitting, those who are relaxing in bed, sitting on a sofa, or have taken the little cooling desk outdoors for a little relaxed working environment. Aside from that, the sides have no information of note. On the back side, you have a clearer diagram of what desk looks like once it's propped up. And you have a couple of features being explained, namely that it is extendable, it's tiltable, and it's also foldable. So it becomes very portable and adjustable to your liking. Aside from that, a couple of salient points have been mentioned on the bottom, namely that it has a compact design, which is light and strong. The joint has an auto lock design, so both the angle and the height can be adjusted by pressing the joint. It's suitable for all sorts of form factors, which we've already seen on the front. And there is a cooling fan, so you get plenty of cooling as well. And lastly, it is portable, so it can be easily folded up and carried wherever you want to. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. You've got the desk inside with a couple of cushioning on the corners. We don't find any instruction manual on the inside. It's just the table. So this is what it looks like from the top side. Here is a little mesh wherein you can see the fan on the inside. That's already installed. There's a little bit of Portronics branding up top. A couple of elements on the bottom for you to use it as an organizing space. And then on the reverse, you have the stand. So you can see how the mechanism is built, all of which is easily foldable. And you can see how the entire thing is using a toolless design. So you don't need a screwdriver or anything to play around or disassemble or assemble it. There are a couple of hex nuts over here. So if at all there is some tight adjustment needed later on as, let's say, part of maintenance, then that's also made possible thanks to some intelligent design choices. Now, pulling the legs out is quite easy. You can do that for one side, then for the other. And you have a little tab to lock it in place. So this is what the tab looks like. This is its unlocked position. And if you wish to lock it down, just pull it upwards and slap it down. And the same goes for the other side as well. Once you've done that, you can prop it up and start working. Now, let's say you wish to adjust the tilt of the table. Again, unlock it. And once you unlocked, you get minor steps that you can adjust the elevation to. This is the maximum that it can go down to. And once you've brought it down to a comfortable angle, again, use the tab to lock it in place. Now, let's say you want to adjust the height of the table. You have these little tabs that you can press and lift the side. So you can see this side has been pulled up. The same can be done for the other side as well. Okay, there's this little handy tab over here. Press down, pull the table up to your required elevation. You have little grooves and slots on the side. So it's graded, the elevations that you can sort of set. You've got little locking tabs on the sides, so you can get a little peace of mind once you've actually adjusted the height. Now let's come to the fan part. So on the underside, you can see this little cable that's wrapping around the cooling area. So this is the USB type A cable that actually controls the power to the cooling fan. There are no adjustments to the rate of flow. So whenever you connect it, you're going to get one single speed, and you can use practically any empty USB port on your laptop to power the fan. The surface and the bottom seem to have some sort of wooden veneer, and the legs are made of aluminum and plastic with metal bolts all over. And on the bottom, you also have rubberized feet for additional grip. Once you're done, you can easily pack it up by simply flipping it over, pressing the tab, bringing it down, and then simply fold the legs. So that's it for the unboxing of the Portronics My Buddy Plus laptop cooling desk. Thank you for watching.